Hey guys, so I'm gonna go through a call with you. I'm gonna break it down. We're gonna walk through it together so we can figure out how to properly use the script in these situations, so that we can move forward and get really strong yeses instead of a halfway fake yes. So let's take a look at one of these calls.
Hello?
Hello. Hi, sir. Good afternoon. This is Josh calling from Daniel David's office. How are you doing today?
Excuse me, who are you?
I'm so sorry. Again, my name is Josh. This is from Daniel David's office. Just this is just a quick call. We just wanted to tell you that you.
So the introduction, the first time you introduced yourself was excellent. You were very strong. My name is Josh from Daniel David's office. How are you doing today? And then when you went to repeat yourself, you apologize. No need to apologize. Just simply say, I'm Josh from Daniel David's office. Do you have a quick 27 seconds that I can borrow? Or, however you want to phrase it. Can I steal a quick 27 seconds of your time? Or are you busy with six things? And then get a yes or a no from there. If it's a no, then the call is basically over. If it's a yes, then you now have permission. You got a micro commitment to move forward, and that's very important. You We're kind of past that now, where we're moving on to you're a lucky owner, where I have no idea where that came from. So we're gonna listen to it a little bit, and then we're gonna go through it.
Good news that we have that you are one of the business owners that we wanted to share and help with. Danny shot a
So one of the lucky owners that we're going to share this information with. No, 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 no. Now they think they've won a prize. Of course, everyone would stay on the line if they think they've won a prize and it's free. We are not saying that ever. Instead, when we get the yes that we can continue, we move straight on to great. Danny shot you a 7-minute video. So let's go back and let's take a look at and let's keep moving.
7-minute free custom video for you that gives a few tips and tricks on ideas on what you can be doing online. So again, this will be only free, sir, and it will be benefiting you because it can give you more customers online. And no worries, this will not cost you any dime. All I need is an active email to send this one right away to you.
So what we kind of just did there is we went through some of the pitch there. You said all the right words in there, but you added in double the amount. And we're now begging. Please, sir, it's free. It's going to benefit you. It doesn't cost you a dime. We're now justifying us sending them the information when we know that they need this. So I don't want to beg them. This yes means absolutely nothing if I have to beg them to take it. So essentially what it should have been is Danny created a free 7-minute custom video for you that has some tips and tricks on how to get more customers online and how to beat out your competition. What's the best email to send that to? That sounds confident, poised, and it doesn't sound like I'm begging him for anything. As a matter of fact, it almost sounds like I'm ready to walk away too. I don't need his help.
Okay, you can send on floorcovering@yahoo.com.
All right, that will be floor covering at yahoo.com, right?
Yeah, yes, yeah, that's correct.
Okay, and I'm sorry I did not get your name a while ago. Who am I speaking with today, by the way?
Michael.
Michael. Michael, that would be Michahl.
Yes,
Okay, and you're the owner as well, right?
correct.
Okay.
So a great way to do this is once you get the email, first off, don't ask them multiple times. You didn't do that here, which is great, but you have on other calls. Never ask them for the email more than once. If they give you the email, the only time you should ask for it again is if you ask them to spell it for you. So my email is xyz@gmail.com. I'm sorry, can you spell that for me? Or don't even say I'm sorry, can you spell that for me? And then move on. The next question, this is going to determine a lot. I'm sorry. Wow. I keep saying I'm sorry. I'm getting into bad habits now. The next part is going to be, I did not catch your name at the beginning. What was it? It's a very polite way to say, give me your name. Oh, my name is Michael. Now, this next question will determine if he's an owner or not 90% of the time. Are you the one who's going to be watching the video, Michael? Yes, I am. Great. He's an owner. Now you can move on to the finish and then, obviously hang up. If he says, no, I'm not watching it, then we move on and say, great, what is the name of the person I should address this to? Or is there somebody I can address this to who is the owner? And go from there. So let's keep on moving.
I think of all the information right now, and Danny will get to you by this today. And to set your expectations, sir, this will be a 7-minute video. So how impossible would it will be watch day or maybe this night, and we can call you back tomorrow for some feedback. Okay?
Okay. Oh,
So you went through the finish, but we never really got a pseudo. Remember, when we're doing a no-oriented question, it's so they say no, because it's much harder to say no than it is to say yes. You think about the no questions. So when you want to go into the close, forget all the to set your expectations. We're gathering all the information. No. Sir, are you going to be the one watching this? Yes, I am. Awesome. Danny's going to send you that video tonight. How impossible would it be, this is a no-oriented question, for you to watch that tonight so that I can call you tomorrow and get some feedback? No, that's not impossible at all. I can do that. Awesome. Well, hey, Michael, you have an amazing day. Enjoy. And that's how you close out the call. So I'm going to go through the whole thing, and I'm just going to show you how smooth that entire phone call can be. Hi, my name is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. How are you today? I'm doing great. Awesome. Do you have a quick 27 seconds I can steal, or are you busy with 6 things? I'm busy, but I'll give you 20 seconds. Great. Danny actually created a 7-minute custom video for you that shows you some tips and tricks on how to get more customers online and how to beat out your competition. What's the best email to send it to? It's Danny at Josh and Danny SEO. Can you spell that for me, please? Yes. Thank you. Now, I did not catch your name at the beginning. What was it? Oh, it's actually Bob. Pleasure to meet you, Bob. Are you going to be watching this video, Bob? Yes, I will. Great. Danny will actually send you the video before the end of the day. How impossible would it be for you to watch that video tonight so that we can call you tomorrow and get some feedback? Not impossible at all. Excellent. You have an amazing day, Bob. And done. That's the entire pitch. The more confident you are in that, the better, the faster you'll get through these pitches. There are 3 to 4 micro commitments in there alone that already make your yes worth way more than any other yes. All right. That's all I got for you guys.